morning, students. I am going to discuss some topic related to your examination. You all know about that. There is only 2 chapters are coming to your exam, such as chemical reactions and equations, and acid, base, and salt. So the topic of first chapter is examples. You have to learn example of physical change and chemical change. Okay. Second is types of chemical reaction. You have to learn these definitions with examples such as combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, double decomposition reaction, exothermic, endothermic reaction, redox reaction. Okay. In decomposition reaction, there are 3 types of reaction, means thermal decomposition, electrolysis decomposition, and photochemical decomposition. Okay, with example, double decomposition reaction with example, exothermic and endothermic reaction with example, redox reactions with examples, corrosion and rancidity. Corrosion with prevention method and rancidity also with prevention method. Okay, so these are the topic you have to learn of chapter first. Okay, our second chapter is acid, base, and salt. So there are the topics: indicators with example, types of indicators such as natural indicator, synthetic indicator, olfactory indicator, and universal indicator with example. Definition of acid and base according to Arrhenius and the properties of acid and base. Numericals of pH value, and learn some pH value of such as milk, blood, saliva, before eating, after eating, acid, strong acid, weak acid. These pH value you have to learn. Fifth is importance of pH in एवरीडे इन लाइफ. आवर लाइफ में, हमारी लाइफ में पीएच वैल्यू क्या इंपॉर्टेंस होती है. सॉल्ट्स, टाइप्स ऑफ सॉल्ट्स सच एज कॉमन सॉल्ट, प्रिपरेशन मेथड ऑफ कॉमन सॉल्ट, प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कॉमन सॉल्ट एंड यूजेस. बेकिंग सोडा with formula. Okay, what is the formula of baking soda? This is NaHCO3 and the chemical name is sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Common formula of common salt NaCl. Sodium chloride. Formula of washing soda Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Okay, sodium carbonate decahydrate. You have to learn these salts with their preparation method, their properties, and their uses also. Okay, plaster of Paris CaSO4 half H2O, bleaching powder CaO Cl2, caustic soda NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Okay, these are the formulas. You have to learn all about it. Okay, so now see that recap of this chapter. Chapter first is chemical reactions and equation. You have to learn physical change, chemical change with examples. You have to learn definitions of combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, double decomposition reaction, exothermic reaction, and endothermic reaction, redox reaction with example. Now I am going to ask a question. Photosynthesis is which type of reaction? Is it exothermic reaction, or it is endothermic reaction, or is it redox reaction, or none of them? So photosynthesis is a endothermic reaction and respiration is a exothermic reaction. These are the most important examples of These two reaction, exothermic and endothermic. Exothermic reaction, heat is released, and endothermic reaction, heat is absorbed. Okay. Redox reaction. What is redox reaction? Redox reaction is those reactions, those chemical reaction in which oxidation and reduction occur simultaneously. Okay. Corrosion. Corrosion means slow decay of metals. Okay. On exposing in air and moisture. Okay. This is such as example of rusting of iron. Rancidity. Rancidity, it is also aerial oxidation of food materials. Food material shows bad taste, bad smell, so this is called rancidity. Example, ripening of apple. Okay. Souring of milk. Food material just decays, so this is called rancidity. Means corrosion occurs in food material is called rancidity. What are the prevention method of rancidity? So first you have to add antioxidants such as BHA and BHT. You have to learn full form of BHA and BHT. BHA means butylated hydroxyanisole and BHT means butylated hydroxytoluene. Okay. And other topics you have to learn. In second chapter, you have to learn indicator and their types with example, acid, definition of acid, properties of acid, and example space, definition of acid, properties of acid, and example, pH value with numericals, importance of pH in everyday life, types of salt, definition of salt, neutralization. What is neutralization reaction? You have to learn definition of neutralization reaction. Okay. Neutralization reaction or precipitation reaction. Types of salt such as common salt, baking soda, washing soda, plaster of Paris, bleaching powder, and caustic soda is not a salt, it is a base. Okay. So these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 compounds. You have to learn method of preparation, properties, physical properties, chemical properties, and uses. It is most important topics. Okay. So this is the revision of your topics and chapters. I hope you all can get it. Thank you.